In the vast silence of the universe, there are hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. Yet, within this near infinite darkness, only one planet is known to harbor life. That planet is Earth. Earth's first stroke of luck comes from something deceptively simple: distance. Not too close to the sun, where oceans would boil away. Not too far, where the planet would freeze into silence. Scientists call this region the habitable zone. Water itself is not rare in the universe, but planets that can sustain liquid water for billions of years are extraordinarily rare. Earth's temperature, atmospheric pressure, and gravity allow water to flow, evaporate, and fall as rain, creating the cycle of life. Without Jupiter, Earth might not have survived long enough for life to emerge. This giant planet uses its immense gravity to capture or deflect countless asteroids and comets. It is not the star of the story, but it is one of Earth's greatest protectors. 4.5 billion years ago, a catastrophic collision gave birth to the Moon. What seemed like destruction became a gift. The Moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, preventing extreme climate chaos, and its tides helped life transition from oceans to land. Deep within Earth's core, molten iron is constantly churning, generating an invisible force, the magnetic field. It shields us from deadly solar winds, preserves our atmosphere, and protects life itself. Earth's history has never been gentle. 5 mass extinctions nearly erased life from the planet, yet after each catastrophe, life returned, more complex than before. Without the extinction of dinosaurs, humans would never have existed. So the question remains, is Earth simply lucky? Or are we, among countless failed worlds, the only survivors able to ask this question at all? Earth's story is not one of perfection, but of survival. Not every star is capable of nurturing life. The sun is stable, gentle, and burns slowly. It does not unleash constant deadly flares, nor does it age too quickly. This stability gave life billions of years to experiment, fail, and evolve. If Earth were smaller, it could not retain its atmosphere. If it were larger, it might become a runaway gas world. Earth's mass perfectly balances volcanic activity, plate tectonics, and long-term habitability. Earth is not a dead planet. Its tectonic plates constantly move, recycling nutrients and regulating carbon. Without plate tectonics, Earth might have become another Venus. Earth is not alone. Venus may once have had oceans. Mars once had flowing rivers. But they lost their magnetic fields, their atmospheres, and their time. Earth was not smarter. It simply survived longer. In Earth's early oceans, non-living matter learned to replicate itself. This moment may have happened only once. Perhaps the universe's silence is the sound of waiting for such a miracle to happen again. Humans are not Earth's final chapter, only the current one. Born from countless coincidences, we stand as survivors looking back at the universe. To understand Earth's luck is itself a form of luck. Earth's luck is not guaranteed forever. Asteroids, supervolcanoes, and the sun's future are all ticking clocks. The question is no longer, why is Earth so lucky? But are we worthy of that luck?
Earth is not only lucky within its solar system, but also within the Milky Way itself. We are not near the chaotic, radiation-filled core, nor at the resource-poor edges. We exist within what scientists call the galactic habitable zone. If Earth had formed billions of years earlier, the universe would lack heavy elements. If it had formed too late, the golden age of star formation would be over. Life requires not only the right place, but also the right time. The iron, carbon, and oxygen in our bodies were forged in dying stars. Supernova explosions scattered these elements across the cosmos, allowing planets, oceans, and life to exist. We are not children of the universe. We are its remains. The universe has no plan. Asteroid trajectories, tectonic fractures, genetic mutations, all are random. Earth's luck was not designed, it was preserved. If one asteroid had missed its mark, dinosaurs might still rule Earth. If the moon were slightly smaller, the climate would swing wildly. If the magnetic field had vanished earlier, the atmosphere would be stripped away. Life depends on countless, just enough moments. Earth is not the rarest planet in the universe. It has no extreme features, no extraordinary star. It simply was not eliminated too early. We perceive Earth as lucky because only here can life ask this question. Failed worlds have no voice. The universe is vast, yet profoundly silent. Perhaps Earth is not the only miracle, just one of the earliest to awaken.
Perhaps the universe has tried to create life countless times, but every attempt ended too soon, too hot, too cold, stripped of atmosphere, or erased by a single impact. Earth was not chosen first. It was the one that survived. We send signals into space and receive no reply. Perhaps civilizations are not rare. They simply do not last long enough. Intelligence does not guarantee survival. Dinosaurs endured for 160 million years without building civilizations. Humans changed the planet in just a few thousand years. Is this truly progress? Perhaps Earth's greatest stroke of luck is not its past conditions, but the fact that it still grants humanity time to choose. If humanity disappears, Earth will keep turning. Forests will return, oceans will recover, and life will try again. But then no one will remember this luck. Luck is not a guarantee. It is merely a history that has not yet been interrupted. Why is Earth so lucky? Perhaps the real question is, on this fortunate planet, will we become its final stroke of luck? We often forget, the universe is not a cradle for life. It is a realm of vacuum, radiation, extreme temperatures, and violence. For life, existence itself is the anomaly. Gamma ray bursts can sterilize entire planets in seconds. Earth has been lucky. None have ever struck us directly. Not because the universe is kind, but because of probability. Earth's journey was never smooth. There were times when the planet was entirely frozen, a snowball Earth. Had the freeze lasted longer, life might never have recovered. For early life, oxygen was not a gift, it was poison. When cyanobacteria released oxygen, it nearly wiped out existing life. Earth almost died from its own success. Multicellular life took 3 billion years to emerge. Had Earth's environment collapsed earlier, complex life would never have appeared. Sometimes luck is simply lasting long enough. Life existed for billions of years, yet only once did intelligence arise that could comprehend the universe. This was not a trend, it was an accident. When life began to alter the planet, luck transformed into a test. Climate change, nuclear weapons, ecological collapse. For the first time, Earth is threatened by its own children. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for 160 million years, and they were not given a second chance. Earth's history teaches us the universe does not correct mistakes. Earth appears lucky not because it is perfect, but because it survived until now. The real question is no longer, why is Earth so lucky, but will we be the generation that ends that luck?